Either left or right, which you're comfortable with. You can't use your leg, you're only allowed to use your shoulder. Alright? To go and, bump into the other person so that the skeleton head falls down. Whoever has the last skeleton on their spoon is the winner. Alright? So no cheating and no kicking, alright? You are only allowed to use your shoulder. Alright? So one hand must go behind your back.
Chó chi nó đừng đừng cây lọ.
Everyone must be inside the square. You see the square? Everyone must be inside. If you're out of the square, you are out of the game. So you must be inside the square. On your back, and you must try to hold your skeleton in your spoon as long as possible. So if you have someone next to you bumping you, you have to try to move away. Because if you don't move away, they're going to bump you and your skeleton